Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter 1, that is integers. In the previous class you have learnt about integers, their placement on a number line and addition and subtraction of integers. Let us revise the main points again. And in this video you will understand about the multiplication and division of integers. Let's get started. What is an integer? An integer is a positive or a negative whole number including zeros. That is, a combined set of negative numbers and whole numbers are called integers. That is, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. As you see, in this set all the natural numbers are positive integers and the others are negative integers. Remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. There are 4 integers operations. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's get started with addition first. Let's read some rules for adding the integers. The sum of two positive integers is always positive. The sum of two negative integers is always negative. When you add a positive and a negative integer, you are really subtracting. Then you give the answer the sign of the greater absolute value. Let's see some examples. 5 plus 6. Here both the numbers are positive, so 5 plus 6 is 11. -3 plus -2. Plus minus is minus, so minus minus get plus. 3 plus 2, 5. And the number with greater sign is minus, so we'll put -5. -6 plus 5. Minus plus minus, so we'll get 1. And the number which is greater is 6 and the sign in front of it is minus. So we'll put a minus sign in front of that. 8 plus minus minus. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. -9 plus 9 is equal to 0. So in this way you are going to do addition of integers. Let's go through subtraction of integers. There are some rules for subtracting integers. To subtract an integer, add its opposite. You will need to correctly change all the subtraction problems into addition problems. How do you change a subtraction problem into an addition problem? There are 3 steps. First, keep the first integer the same. Second, change the subtraction sign into an addition sign. Third, take the opposite of the number that immediately follows the newly placed addition sign. Let's go through with some examples. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. -3 minus 4, that is -7. -1 minus -2. Here minus minus will get plus and minus plus minus. So 1 minus 2 is 1 and the sign is positive over here. -5 plus 3 is equal to -2. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So in this way you are going to do subtraction of integers. Let's move on to multiplication of integers. Let's read out some rules for multiplication of integers. The product of two integers with same signs is a positive. The product of two integers with different signs is negative. Let's summarize. Positive multiply positive is equal to positive. Negative multiply negative is equal to positive. Positive multiply negative is equal to negative. Negative multiply positive is equal to negative. Let's see some examples of multiplication. 6 multiply minus 3. Here 6 3s are 18 and minus plus minus. 3 3s are 9 plus plus plus. Minus 4 multiply 5, that is minus 20. Minus 6 multiply minus 2, that is 12. Minus minus will get plus. Minus 7 multiply minus 8. Minus minus plus. 7 8s are 56. So in this way you are going to do multiplication of integers. Let's move on to division of integers. Let's have some rules. The quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. The quotient of two integers with different signs is negative. Let's summarize. Positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. Negative when divided with positive is equal to negative. Let's see some examples. When we divide 18 with minus 2, you will get the answer is equal to minus 9. Minus 48 when divided with minus 6, minus minus will get cancelled out. 6 8s are 48. Minus 27 when divided with 9, we get minus 3. 64 divided by 8, we are getting 8. 30 divided by minus 5. So we'll get 5 6 are 30 and the sign of subtraction. So in this way you are going to do division of integers. I hope you have understood this. Let's practice some questions. Thank you.